What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is my weekly year update. I'm on week 18 and I got a confession to make. I overdosed on those hair, nail, and skin gummies. They're supposed to last like 40 days. I ended that off I polished them gummies off like in a week and a half. I might have to go to like some type of like nail and hair gummy rehab or something. I don't know, but they're supposed to last 40 days and they only lasted a week and a half. So I'm not taking those. I ran out because I ate them all. I was eating them like they were actually like lifesaver gummies. Like that's how much I was eating. Sometimes I was eating 8 at one time. Like it's pretty bad. And I think I'm seeing kind of like the results of it because like I got hair growing everywhere and like, yeah, that's one of the like downfalls of taking that type of supplement. It'll make everything grow, like hair everywhere. So beware when you're taking that type of supplement that be prepared for taking that type of stuff. And then you're gonna have hair growing that you didn't think you had hair in places that you didn't think you had hair. Like right here, and I'm taking part in No Shave November. You can kind of see like up here, a little hair spot. I have not touched my beard in X amount of weeks. The only time I really touch it is to cut out split ends and stuff like that. And yes, I get split ends, but you can treat them if you just cut them at the root, not at the root, but at the source. Just cut them where the split end, where you see the split end where the split end is at, and you should be good to go. But I ran out of my multivitamin, so I gotta go to Target or Walmart somewhere and pick up another multivitamin and another nail, hair, and skin gummy. Or I might not even do that because knowing me, I'm probably gonna do the same thing I did last time and overdose on them. And that's pretty much it on my update. Nothing's really changed. I haven't trimmed anything. My mustache is coming back like in full force, like it's becoming untamable again. And that's because I'm not training my hairs like I should. And I've been trying to use the mustache wax more, but the thing about that wax is like once you get water on it, it kind of like makes it untamable because it's like I learned about this like with putting the wax on. I was drinking some water and I got the water on the mustache wax, and next thing I know, hair's all up my nose and everything. So I might have to start using more wax to tame my mustache because yeah, it gets pretty bad. But nothing's really changed. It's coming in. No Shave November. I have not touched anything. I have not trimmed. The only time I really trim anything is like the split ends. That's about it. But I have not touched this beard in 18 weeks. And I'm gonna see if I can go another 18 weeks without touching it. And there's not really much advice I can give on like when starting to grow your beard out. Like I was gonna do like a No Shave November video, but my main advice to anybody who's doing that is like just be patient, man, and just think that you're not gonna grow the beard that you want overnight. It's not gonna happen in 4 weeks. It takes a good while before you can actually grow a decent beard, unless you just have those type of genetics that you can just grow a beard like that. But other than that, I've been sticking with the course. I've been just staying on course. I haven't really lost focus on growing this beard out. My goal is to get a big beard, and like they say, with a big beard comes great responsibility. But yeah, it's not really much of an like really going on. I mean, it's coming in. I ran out of my multivitamin and I overdosed on the gummies. So don't be surprised if I get checked into nail, hair, and gummy rehab. But that's about it on this video. I'm gonna sum up this video. I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Get through this Monday, and I don't know when I'm gonna post this video because I got stuff I gotta do. I gotta handle some stuff right quick. But just like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below just comment down below. Like I said, I like talking with y'all, I like interacting with y'all. I like the comments. I mean, it's awesome. YouTube has been awesome to me, and I'm probably gonna do the details of my giveaway. I'm probably gonna do that in the next couple of days. I've been putting it off because I've been trying to figure out what to give away, and I'm probably gonna have like maybe like 5 winners or something like that. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to figure all that stuff out. I had to actually kind of watch like older videos of Dan C's to figure out like the giveaway. Like, I don't want to have no giveaway where, you know, you have to like, comment, subscribe, then you have to get your social security number, then you have to, you know your blood type and all that other stuff. Like, I'm not trying to do all that. I just want the rules to be simple and just to the point. It's like, cause this is like all new to me. All this giveaway stuff is really relatively new, but I need to give back to y'all because y'all take the time out to watch my videos. So I need to start giving back. And I know I've had people tell me, Sean, don't worry about the giveaway and all that stuff, but it's time to start giving back. And yeah, I have a video up on the details of my giveaway. I'm trying to figure out what company to go with or something like that, but yeah, that's it on this update. And like I said, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean.